Ready to become the leader you were always meant to be? Stewy, your AI coach, is here to help. Stewy offers 24/7 insights and coaching conversations tailored to your unique leadership goals, ensuring you stay on track with your development. Through reflective journaling, Stewy helps you capture insights and track your growth, making personal development a continuous journey. Action planning with Stewy transforms your insights into tangible steps, driving both personal and team success. Enhance your leadership performance with Stewy's personalized feedback, rooted in the latest leadership principles. All of your interactions with Stewy are completely confidential, ensuring a safe space for honest reflection and growth. And introducing our revolutionary prompt playground, designed to help you overcome prompt frustration and provide better and more tailored answers for your exact organization development needs. Take your leadership to new heights with Stewy, accelerating your progress with every interaction.